Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. I'm on the way to 1,600 subscribers, and that is just so exciting to me. And at 1,600, I will be doing another big giveaway. I just love doing big giveaways because I have so much stuff that I love to share with you guys. Speaking of sharing with you guys, I want to share another look at a palette that I really dig. It is the Lust for Dusk palette from Colourpop, and it's probably the last palette I got from Colourpop, and I just adore the colors. And so we're going to do another look with it today because some palettes bear repeating, and my love for Colourpop is strong. I have probably at least 20 Colourpop palettes, and this one is fan-freaking-tastic. So let's do a quick look with that and see what we get. Let's see what we got. Oh my god, we're gonna see what we get. I'm gonna start off with Wild Sky, this nice neutral taupe color. That's very pretty. It's a great crease color. Next, I'm going to go into, I'm going to say, this is called Shaken. It's a beautiful shimmer. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. And I'm just loving how subtle it is. I don't think I'm going to go for a very dramatic look today. I think I'm going to go for something a little different than my norm. Something a little more natural. I am going to go into it's hard to decide. There's so many good colors. Into Miser, or is it Mixer? Mixer. And I'm just loving that. I'm going to take this really pretty silvery shimmer called Moonlighting and take my finger and put that. It's a little too subtle for me, I think. Across the bottom lid. But I'm going for a subtle look, so. So that's very beautiful and a nice easy look. I'm going to get my blending brush out and smooth this all around. I'm really loving this. Let's see if I can't get a little more. Trying to get them even. That's probably as good as I'm going to get because my eyes are different. A lot of people's eyes are different, but I think that's beautiful. Let's do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, the mascara and liner are on, and I think it makes for a very pretty look. And I'm going to go in with number 80 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And this is Ruler, one of my very favorite colors of all time of this line. And that is very beautiful. And I am loving this look. It is so simple and easy, and it is from the Lust for Dusk palette, and I highly recommend this palette. It is super nice and easy to use. and it's Colourpop, so it's affordable, and I got it from Ulta. Hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.